Welcome to Case Study Series in Operations Management Case Study by Skilled MBA. In the early 1980s, General Motors' Fremont plant faced challenges like poor quality, high absenteeism, and labor unrest. To address these, General Motors partnered with Toyota to form the new United Motor Manufacturing, Inc. joint venture, implementing the Toyota production system. The key question was whether General Motors could effectively transfer the knowledge gained at New United Motor Manufacturing Inc. across its organization. General Motors' Fremont plant faced significant issues: poor quality, high absenteeism, and labor unrest. To address these, General Motors and Toyota formed the new United Motor Manufacturing Inc. joint venture, implementing the Toyota production system. The key question was whether General Motors could effectively transfer the knowledge gained at New United Motor Manufacturing, Inc. throughout its organization. In the 1980s, the American auto industry struggled as Japanese manufacturers gained market share. Quality and productivity gaps widened, revealing the ineffectiveness of traditional manufacturing methods. Labor management relations hit historic lows, exacerbating operational inefficiencies and contributing to the industry's decline. The General Motors Fremont plant faced severe operational challenges, with the lowest productivity and high defect rates. Workforce issues included 20% absenteeism and frequent strikes, fueled by militant union activity. Management problems were marked by an adversarial approach and a blame culture, leading to the plant's closure in 1982. In 1983, Toyota and General Motors formed a joint venture, leading to the establishment of NUMMI in 1984. The plant was retooled, and workers were rehired and trained in the Toyota production system. By 1985, the first Chevrolet Nova rolled off the production line, marking a significant transformation in manufacturing practices. Toyota's bold strategy involved rehiring workers from the troubled plant, even those with militant union backgrounds. This counterintuitive decision focused on transforming the system rather than replacing the workforce, showcasing Toyota's confidence in its ability to instill the Toyota production system's principles and drive cultural change. The Toyota production system, TPS, focuses on identifying value from the customer's perspective. By mapping the value stream, waste is eliminated, ensuring a smooth flow without bottlenecks. Establishing a pull system means producing only what customers demand. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, is integral, striving for perfection in every process. The cultural shift emphasized respect for people, treating workers as valuable assets. Leadership showed genuine concern for employee well-being. Teamwork became crucial, with collaborative problem-solving and authority to halt production for quality issues. Continuous improvement through Kaizen was embedded in daily operations, valuing small, incremental changes alongside major innovations. NUMMI's transformation was remarkable, achieving a 50% productivity increase and reducing defects by 90%. Absenteeism dropped from nearly 20% to less than 3%. This made NUMMI the most productive auto plant in the United States, with quality on par with Toyota's Japanese factories. General Motors faced challenges in replicating New United Motor Manufacturing Inc.'s success. The key issue was transferring not just the processes, but the mindset of the Toyota production system, TPS. Understanding whether it was the tangible methods or the intangible philosophy that drove New United Motor Manufacturing Inc.'s success became crucial for General Motors' broader transformation. Cultural resistance at General Motors hindered knowledge transfer, as the entrenched General Motors way clashed with new methods. Leadership often misunderstood Toyota production system, focusing on tools over philosophy. Partial implementation led to cherry-picking Toyota production system elements, neglecting the holistic system. Additionally, short-term thinking pressured immediate results, conflicting with the long-term transformation required. In some General Motors plants, success stemmed from leaders deeply engaged with New United Motor Manufacturing, Inc., emphasizing patient, consistent application of principles. Changing mindsets before methods was crucial, alongside building trust between management and workers. Adopting the complete system, rather than fragments, ensured a holistic transformation, aligning technical and social systems for sustainable change. The NUMMI case highlights the inseparability of technical and social systems. Sustainable transformation demands a holistic approach, integrating tools, processes, mindsets, and culture. A strong cultural foundation is essential for enduring change, ensuring that technical advancements are supported by aligned social dynamics. Indian manufacturing must tailor Toyota production system principles to fit local cultural nuances. Trust between management and workers is vital in India's intricate labor landscape. Establishing robust knowledge-sharing networks across industrial clusters can significantly boost the adoption of best practices, enhancing overall efficiency and innovation. Thank You and NUMMI illustrates that true transformation requires more than just adopting processes. It demands a cultural shift. Organizations must integrate world-class practices with the right mindset to achieve meaningful change. For further insights, reach out to Skilled MBA at support@skilledmba.com or visit skilledmba.com.